Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to describe to you is an issue I've been having with I just encountered with my 2012 Chrysler 200 Limited. It's the limited 4-cylinder model. Once again, 2012 Chrysler 200. It's a normal day, cold day, snowy. I drove out 2 hours away from New York. Made my way halfway back, decided to stop for some gas, and encountered this issue here. No crank, no start. Alright, so if anybody has any insight on what the issue could be, please feel free to leave a comment or let me know below. Alright, turn the key. This is what happens. Alright. There was a previous video I watched on a 2012 Chrysler 200 that stated that there would be some type of key below the steering column. Unfortunately, that is not the case with this vehicle. There is no key of any sort underneath the steering column, as I will show you now. Now I have power in the vehicle. My lights turn on, they turn off. My windows, they also roll up and down. The door locks. But unfortunately, I'm unable to get the car to start. First thing I heard was the key beneath the steering column. Second thing I had was the potential starter. If anyone else has any idea what's going on, please feel free to let me know. Alright, thanks a lot.